Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're out on the lake and we're going to be doing Mtbslam with this Mystery Tackle Box Pro box. In this box it came with a Weston duck. That's what I'm going to start with, and I think this is going to be pretty fun. A Dobbins D-Blade Beast spinnerbait in 3/4 ounce. This might be a little harder because I don't really throw spinnerbaits that much. It came with a Booyah Prank. It's a popper and crankbait. It says MTB exclusive. I'm guessing it's because of the color. It's a chartreuse bone color. That's kind of interesting. Cabin Creek Bait Company 4-inch salty lizards. I think I'm going to pair this with the spinnerbait as a trailer. Mattis baits. It doesn't have anything, what they call it or anything, but it's just a little drop shot worm in like a green pumpkin, maybe watermelon red color. And then some mustad jig heads. So I'm probably going to pair this with the drop shot worm and try to shaky head it. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, we got the duck rigged up right now and we're fishing that same spot where we caught the bass last time, and that bowfin right over here in this creek mouth. Hopefully we'll get one pretty fast on this so I can get to the spinnerbait. There's one. Oh, he's wrapped around that log. Is he still on there? There's another bowfin. I think he's got it stuck in the log and I think he's off. Dang it. Yeah, the fish is gone, so. Great way to start the day, right? At least I got a bite on it, and it's only been like 10 minutes of me fishing. So that is a good sign. It definitely wasn't as big as the last bowfin I had hit this, but, or hit frog up here. Let's get out of here. Drag's not set, drag's not set, drag's not set. But I got a fish on. It's a little pike. Just a little one, but it counts. As long as I can land it. Oh! Jinxed myself! Got one. It's a decent pike. There's not a big one, but I just want to land this fish, get the spinnerbait off the list. Okay, come on fish, just come here. Come here. Oh my God, thank you. Finally. Got the spinnerbait off the list. First Mtbslam fish. At least hopefully it's gonna be a slam. I don't know with my luck so far. Decent little pike. .24 1/8 inch. Decent little guy. I'm gonna let him go. Just normally I'd keep pike, but just because he's right on the line, I'm gonna let him go. Because it gotta be 24 inches, which is that blue line right there, and it's right there, but I just don't want to get in trouble. There he goes. That was on the Dobbins D-blade spinnerbait in some shad color, I'm guessing. Shad chartreuse color, I'm guessing. They had the lizard on the back. So there's 2 of the lures done from the box. You can see the lizard's shredded by the pike. It's all tore up. Okay. Let's get to fishing something else. Like I got the hard lure done first. There's one. Is it still on? I can't tell. Can't tell if I still have them. Please still be there. Come on, come on, get up. It's just wrapped around every single log in here. I don't feel anything, so I think I lost him, but lure. There's one. There's one. Stay out of vlogs. Stay out of vlogs. Stay out of vlogs. Not again. Come on. So just a little bass, but come on. Get in the boat. There we go. Yes, and we're about to crash. That's some decent largemouth. Ow. Come on, hook. Ah, there we go. That's a fat largemouth. Look how fat he is. This one's probably 2, maybe 3 pounds. Set that up. Nice big old largemouth. He's not huge, but he's decent size. Biggest of the day. Got the second lure out of the way, thankfully. Let's let him go. He swam right off. Whew, I'm happy he put this duck down. This duck, it's been getting a lot of fish, but just I haven't. The hookup ratio sucked for me. Or not. I guess it's not the hookup ratio, but I just fish it next to logs and I get stuck in the logs instantly. This worm's kind of interesting. It's got a weird, like the tails has that fin basically. It's definitely not the softest plastic in the world, and I kind of dislike how heavy the weight is for the shaky head because it's a 1/4 ounce, so I normally throw a shaky head a lot lighter. There's one. Like I said, I thought this was going to be pretty easy catch on. That only took about 5 minutes. There he is, just a little guy. But that means I gotta go back to the shaky head for a while, which definitely does not excite me right now. Come on, get out, Rick. I'm gonna switch hands. Another viewer knocked off. That only took about 5 minutes. Happily, but just a little guy. On the MTB exclusive color. I was cranking it instead of popping it. Just a little guy though. Looks good, nice and healthy. I'm gonna have called it quits for today. I will catch fish on that shaky head eventually. That shall be put in the video. But for now, good night. Hey guys, we're back the next day. Sorry I couldn't get it done in one day, but I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna catch fish on this. Might take me a while, but I will catch fish on this to complete the slam, and then I shall be fishing spinnerbait for a while. Hopefully this won't take me too long. Got one. Finally got a fish on this thing. Feels pretty decent. Come on. Don't hit that wall. Get off the wall. There we go. Finally. That completes the Mtbslam. I can get rid of this drop shot worm off my pole. Fine, it fell off. Thank you. Thank you so much, little buddy. Nice and healthy, nice and fat. Doesn't have any Senkos in the mouth like the other ones in this spot. Let's get a release. I'm so happy to get that done. Fish missed it. There's one. Dang, he crushed it. Just a little guy, but he really wanted it. Alrighty. Come on, buddy. That hook's out, so I can switch hands. Ready. Come on, just pop out. Ah, dang it. There we go. Nice little largemouth. Pretty chubby. Let's let him go. Caught him on the prank. Fishing at top water this time, so got that out of the way. Probably gonna keep fishing this for a while. Alright, so now that I'm done fishing, I caught fish on everything, I'm gonna review the baits and tell you which ones I like the most, which ones I dislike the most, and why. I'm gonna start with my least favorite. I still have it on my pole, but it was the shaky head with the drop shot worm. This took me hours to catch fish. It only took me like 15 minutes when I got to this spot from shore, but I fished it for hours and I didn't get a bite out in my boat. And the reason I hate this so much is that head just catches every single weed it touches. I don't know if I'm too close to the camera, but this just catches every single weed, and basically everywhere on this lake is full of weeds by the shore, so there's nothing I can really do because the fish aren't out deep right now. Second least favorite. What else did I have? Probably gonna have to go with the spinnerbait. I like this bait, so it kind of sucks, but there's only 4 things I used, so it had a lizard on it too, which made it look a lot better, and it was a nice lure. It hooked into 2 pike, and I'm probably gonna use this again in the future, but just I don't fish out deep enough, and that's why I didn't really like it. It took me a while to catch fish on it, and caught a lot of weeds, which it's a spinnerbait, of course. It's gonna catch weeds. It's not weedless, but that was my third favorite. Second favorite, probably gonna have to go with the duck. I really like this thing. It looks very nice. It had nice action in the water. It didn't really get torn up by the fish I caught on it, which actually surprises me. Most frogs get kind of wrecked after a couple of fish, or at least most cheap frogs. This was a lot of fun to fish with. I'm definitely going to use it again, but it comes in second place because of the prank. Prank is my favorite just because how versatile it was, and it only took me like 10 casts to catch a fish out in the water, and that really impressed me. And I really like the cover, how it's that bone, but it's got this little chartreuse part. I love how you can use it as a topwater or crankbait. This one was my favorite in the box. Thank you for watching the whole video. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and yeah, there will be more videos come. This is going to be a monthly series where I do the Mtbslams, except during winter, because ice fishing, I'm not going to be doing one, but I might try one, but I don't know if I'll do it most time. But hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next time.